Tariro neGitare. I am Tariro, and this is the guitar. Since I'm a GC mommy, I'm Auntie Tari to all of you. The song that I'm going to sing, I'm celebrating some amazing queens today. Are you not looking proud? Are you not feeling proud? You definitely look amazing. The first song that I'm going to sing for you is called Mambo Kazi. While we're waiting for the ZESA to come back, let's just do that. You guys get to get a great show today. I see your strength, your highness, your joy, your pain, and your kindness. Even though you are hurting on, you will make it through. Muri Mambo Kati. Keep your focus on the goal. Oh, let it show. Muri Mambo Kati. Rise up and sing. Stand up, oh queen. Muri Mambo Kati. Rise up and sing. Stand up, oh queen. Muri Mambo Kati. Rise up and sing. Stand up, oh queen. Muri Mambo Kati. Rise up and sing. Stand up, oh queen. Muri Mambo Kati. Werende Muri Mambo Kati. Werende Muri Mambo Kati. Ande apo werende Mambo Kati. Ande werende